Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 8th class, you know that we are dealing with the chapter minerals and power resources. From the last few days, we learned about minerals, and yesterday we discussed the classification of minerals. Today we are once again touching the same lesson, because yesterday it remained incomplete. So today we will discuss it again and will elaborate this in the same lesson. So my dear students, we classify the minerals mainly into three groups. These minerals are classified into three categories. One is metallic, another is non-metallic, and third is energy minerals. Metallic, non-metallic, energy minerals. Metallic minerals are further divided into three kinds: ferrous, non-ferrous, and precious. Ferrous, non-ferrous, and precious. Let's explain these minerals once again. Metallic minerals are metallic minerals. What are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or shine. Luster means shine. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples. Metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Dear students, I once again discuss or repeat. Minerals contain metal in raw form. All the minerals contain a metal in raw form. These metals which contain metal, these minerals which contain metal in raw form and are hard, if they have luster and they are prone to electricity. When such characteristics are present in a metal, we call these metal. When such characteristics are present in a mineral, we call these minerals as metallic minerals. As I give you some examples, I repeat these examples: iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore. These are some examples of metallic minerals. Metals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Metals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. What are ferrous? Ferrous means which metals which contain iron. So metals are ferrous as well as non-ferrous, as we discussed earlier. What are non-ferrous these minerals? Non-ferrous minerals does not contain metals. Like limestone, a non-ferrous metal जो है, that इसकी characteristics ये है that it does not contain metal. Example is the example of non-ferrous metal is limestone, mica, and gypsum. These are some examples of such minerals. There are other these minerals which are also known as fuels. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. They are also non-metallic minerals. My dear students, you might have understand that minerals are generally classified into three groups: metallic, non-metallic, and energy minerals. Metallic minerals have luster and shine. Non-metals have not luster, and metals contain this iron. Metallic minerals contain iron. Non-metallic minerals do not contain this iron. And then we have these energy minerals, which you know, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So, my dear students, metals, the metallic minerals are ferrous. Ferrous, you understand now. You know now that they are ferrous. Ferrous means containing iron. Iron ore, manganese, nickel, cobalt, etc. are the examples of ferrous these metals, or we can say they are metals. Non-metallic non-metals are these non-metallic minerals are those like mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, sandstone. These are the examples of non-metals, or we can say non-metallic minerals. So these non-metallic minerals do not contain iron. Then we have the energy minerals: coal, petroleum, and natural gas. As I said you that metals are further divided into three groups. One is ferrous, another is non-ferrous, third is precious. First I discussed you iron ore, manganese, nickel, cobalt, etc. And non-ferrous: copper, lead, tin, bauxite, etc. And then we have the precious metals are the gold, silver, platinum. This is the classification of these minerals. When we define these metals and metallic minerals, we can say minerals contain metal in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples of metallic minerals. Maybe ferrous or non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, and chromatids contain iron. A non-ferrous does not contain metals like limestone, mica, and gypsum, or the examples of such minerals. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. So, my dear students, this was today's lesson, the classification of minerals. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will go ahead, and our next topic will be extraction of these minerals. How are minerals extracted? Let us wait for tomorrow, inshallah. Hope for the best. Assalamu alaikum.